Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison, and today we are doing more like a vlog today because I was requested a couple different types of videos, but I really want to do my makeup and post it on Instagram. Plus I want to get do my hair, plus I want to do my nails today, so we're just going to do a vlog of me doing that today. So first off, I was trying to find my hair color that I bought like a couple weeks ago from CVS. I bought 2 boxes of this. It's the L'Oreal 5MB hair color. But I couldn't find my second box, so I'll probably find it right after I get done doing my hair today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it with this. The L'Oreal Paris New Look Freya V48 Intense Medium Violet. I'm going to mix that with the other one that I got. Let me switch you around. I'm going to mix these two together and we're going to see what it does to my hair. And there's my tutu head with the tutu face.
Hi, low.
Hi, low. So, I don't know. I guess we'll find out together. Alright, I am back. I got the stuff on my hair and it has been like 12 minutes since I actually started doing this, and don't mind my house. It's really nasty. We have not cleaned all week because I've been working 6 days a week here lately at CVS, plus trying to do Instagram. What are you getting? She's been doing cosplay on TikTok, so it's that one. That's for the liquid. Do you need help?
I don't know.
Anyways, it's been 12 minutes where this has been on my hair. And I have high hopes. It looked like a bloodbath in my bathroom and I was done. By the way, yeah, and I'm doing TikTok. Oh, I got a TikTok last night. By the way, I will. It's Valerie Dison, just like on my Instagram. Valerie Dison, all together, lower caps. On TikTok. Follow me if you want to. I'll try to link it below. Try to remember to do that. But yeah, I just started last night, so I'm working on a TikTok right now. But this girl behind me, hold on. This is the girl I've been watching on YouTube a lot. And her name is, let's see, Makeup by Missy. I don't even know her name. Let's see.
I don't know what cosplay to do next.
There she is. I've been watching her non-stop for like a month or 2 now. And that's not why I'm doing my hair this color. It's actually an accident. I don't know what color she used. I mean, I watched the video, but I didn't. I already decided, like I said 2 months ago, I wanted to do this color, but they didn't have that at Dollar General, so I had to go with this, so I mixed it. But yeah, I've been wanting to do that for 2 months now. What? Oh.
I don't know what FNAF cosplay is.
Hold on, baby. But yeah, this is where we're at right now. I just brushed my teeth, waiting, and I'm just watching my girl on the screen right now. And about to help this little turd behind me with what she wants to work on. And I'll be back with you in a little while. Alright, it has been 40 minutes while this is on my hair. I'm watching Tati now. See which one this is. It's that one, if you can really, probably not really tell what it says. It's just on in the background. I'm not really watching it. It's what played on the playlist next after that. But I'm going to show you what Sydney's doing. So I was working on this little character. What is it?
Puppet or aka marionette.
Yeah, so she's doing a cosplay of that. So that's how far I got. She's filling in the black with my eyeliner I have.
This eyeliner?
Yeah.
I'm not used to makeup.
Look in the mirror.
Just want to do a cosplay.
Look in the mirror. So she's going to do that as I rinse off my hair and see what this is going to turn out like. Alright, I just got out of the shower from rinsing out my hair, and so far so good the way it looks. But you won't be able to tell until it's dry. But before I went to rinse out my hair, when I was running the water, I remembered I forgot to cut off the water in the kitchen when I was trying to rinse the coloring bowls out. So, yeah, got 10 towels down. That happened. That's great. Yay! Another day of my life. Hopefully I can clean it up before my husband gets home. He will never know. Yeah, right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to brush my hair, let it air dry a little bit while I got to get this facial hair off my face. So what I like to do is kind of pluck around the eyes. And by the way, I try to dye my eyebrows too a little bit, but that's not important because I'm going to cover it with brown anyways. But I'm going to pluck as much as I can around my brows and around this area, and then I shave the rest of my face. Alright, I got done shaving and plucking my face. Now I got to fix as something to eat because Elena is demanding some ramen noodles. And Sydney has not made her TikTok yet, but she's almost done. Show them your progress.
I have 3 fingers now. And now I can.
Watching Tati again. Don't do that. So I guess I'm gonna go make something to eat, and when I get back, what do I need to do? Probably blow dry this hair the rest of the way. But so far the color is looking really good. I mean, I like it so far. See? So far so good, and it's just gonna lighten up after I dry it. So I'll be back after I eat, and then probably dry and probably just dry the hair. I don't think I'm actually gonna fix it. Alright, I'm gonna show you what it looks like after I got done. Wow, that really looks purple. It doesn't really look that purple in person. But yeah, I'm gonna go in natural lighting to show y'all more. Go, Milo. Trying not to let the cat out. But this is what it's looking like so far. I really like it. So far, so good. So the food's not done yet. We're see what's best lighting. We are. Elena wants chicken tenders. I might eat leftover tuna salad, and Sydney's gonna eat corn dogs. But yeah, I'll be back later. I probably eat and come back. I don't know. I'll find out in a minute. Alright, I got done eating and kind of feeling kind of tired. And I'm trying to get my freaking clothes to freaking dry, but it keeps doing this shit where it cuts off and it's not done drying, and I can't figure out why. And I keep telling my husband about it, and I don't know. So I can't even freaking do laundry. Ah! And I almost dropped y'all. Because it keeps cutting off. It only went for like less than 20 minutes and then it cut off. Because I was about to get the clothes out of the dryer so I could put the clothes that's in the washer and the dryer, so I could put these towels that's in my kitchen floor in the freaking washer so I could put some more towels down so those can start soaking up. But if I don't have a dryer, I can't really do it. And I don't have a box fan to put on the floor. So I'm getting really irritated. So I'm going to go and take a nap. Maybe go get some... Well, I'll start the dryer over before I leave. And then I'll go to my mom's and pick up the fans from her house so I can dry up this floor. Yippity. I'm just getting irritated. And it's already almost 2 o'clock. Oh, my husband's going to be home by 4:30. So that means that the floor is going to be soaking wet. And I am not even started on cleaning. Another day. Nah. I still didn't get my nails done. Still haven't put my makeup on. It's not a good off day. I need more off days. This one off day a week is not kicking it. I wish you would just give me more hours at a time so I could get my hours in and have some off days to actually relax. But no, because I am still supposed to be cleaning and cooking and doing homeschool basically, and I still want to do my things that I want to do because I'm a working woman and I should be able to play in my makeup if I freaking want to. Anyways, I'm going to take a nap. And, by the way, I'm watching DD5. Hey DD, if you're watching. And the Ofra Foundation does sound very good. And now, we're going to have a lot I'm going to have a big long list for you on our next box swap, since we pretty much already know what we're getting each other for this box swap coming up on your birthday. Yeah, I'm so freaking tired and frustrated. So I'm going to let you go, and I'll talk to y'all after my nap, I guess. Bye. So my puppy gets so excited every time it's time for a nap, because he loves to snuggle to my booty. Milo. Mama, do you love snuggling to my booty? Or do you like to snuggle? Look at me. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, you're my puppy. Give me wobbies. Give them to me. Oh, look at you. You're so cute. Okay. Oh, you're so good. I just woke up from a nap, and we're in a real big hurry because we got less than an hour before Daddy gets home. And while we was running out the door after we, luckily, the clothes actually did dry while I was taking my nap. And I put the clothes that just got dried, I put them in a clean stack of laundry, and then I put the stuff that was in the washer in the dryer, and then put the towels that was on the floor in the washer so it could wash and drain, and I can put those in the dryer in an hour from now, hopefully. And now I'm on my way to go to my mom's, but when we walked out the door, we saw that there was a package on the outside of the door. Show them what Elena got in an Amazon box. Tell them what I am, because I don't really. So
I actually like it better than my electric one that makes noises. Oh, my phone fell.
What are you making with that mask, though, Elena?
A furry dino mask.
A furry dino mask? So we're gonna customize that mask eventually. So she can order something, one more thing for that mask, and when it gets sent in, she's allowed to order something else. That way I know she's not getting out of it as soon as she gets into something, because that is kind of a costly little project, and she's using her own money for that. I give them $5 a week to do laundry around, or to do chores around the house. So, but yeah, I'm going to my mom's. I actually need to let y'all go so I can give her a heads up to get the fans ready for me so I can hurry up and get back home and dry the floor at the kitchen. Say bye, Sydney.
Bye.
And show them your makeup before you let them go.
Okay. Wait, I don't really know.
Just flip it around.
Flip it like.
Just like that. I can't read. There. Say bye.
Bye. No, I can't.
Alright, Michael should be home in like 5 minutes. And when we got home with the fan, the floor seemed like it was dry. So, that's great. And the girls are supposed to be cleaning the living room, and they're not.
The living room floor is already done.
Go clean the living room.
Fluffy.
I don't care if you want to.
Fluffy.
I told you to.
I'm gonna smack you. Fluffy. Smack you.
He's so fluffy. Look at your fluffy. He's so fluffy. Oh, he's fluffy. He's fluffy. Ew, what was that? It's a soaking wet ear thing on the floor. I thought I stepped in poop. Hey everybody, I just got done taking my Instagram photo for the day. And yeah, so you'll see this on my Instagram May 1st. I think I'm going to upload this on the 10th. So yeah, look in my description box below just in case you're not following me on Instagram yet. And I do have a TikTok. I think I said that earlier. And my TikTok for the day didn't work out, unfortunately, the before and after thing I was going to do. But whatever. So I'm going to figure out how I want to do the description box for the Instagram photo. And then I'm going to eat pizza that Michael just went and got. And then I'll probably be editing this video. So, guess that's the end of the day. I hope you enjoyed my little vlog of my normal day off. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time, buddies. Bye.